Controversial move. The Pakistan government has announced that it will ban jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan's party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, for its alleged involvement in anti-state activities and slapped cases against him and two of his senior party colleagues for treason. Take a look.
तहम्मुल हमारी दानिशमंदी को जो कमजोरी समझा गया है, आज मैं इसका भरपूर जवाब देना चाहता हूं और बिल्कुल क्लियर अनएम्बिगुअस वर्ड्स में देना चाहता हूं कि नो मोर, बहुत हो गया इस मुल्क के साथ खिलवाड़। इस मुल्क की मईशत ने अगर आगे चलना है, इस मुल्क के लोगों ने अगर तरक्की करनी है, इस मुल्क की नौजवान नस्ल को अगर रोजगार के मौके मिलने हैं, इस मुल्क ने अगर तरक्की याफ्ता ममालिक की सफ में खड़े होना है, तो पाकिस्तान और तहरीक-ए-इंसाफ एक साथ नहीं चल सकते। मैं बिल्कुल आपको क्लियर करता हूं।
All right, let's try to understand what this means. Gursimran joins us live from Jammu. Gursimran, this development, the Pakistan government banning PTI or deciding to ban Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf of Imran Khan comes just 2 days after the Khan was acquitted in the marriage case along with his wife Bushra Bibi. You think the Pakistan government is reacting to that development with the possibility of Imran Khan coming out of the jail?
Undoubtedly, Abhishek, you have rightly said that it is what has been the repercussion could be of the court decision. Not only this decision where in the Iddat Nikah case he was acquitted along with Bushra Bibi from the 7-year sentence and 5 lakh fine, but also the Supreme Court decision in which the PTI was declared that they are all independent candidates will be treated as the PTI candidates, making the PTI the single largest party in the last member of National Assembly polls that were held in the Pakistan. So now with the PTI strengthening with each passing day, this seems to be another step taken by the federal government of Pakistan led by Shehbaz Sharif, because their information minister Tarar came out and said that in the next federal meeting the decision will be taken to ban the PTI and also the Article 6 of the Constitution of Pakistan that deals with the treason that will also be implied upon not only Imran Khan but also the former president of Pakistan Arif Alvi for misusing their powers. So this means that the Shehbaz Sharif government is using all the powers that they have got against the Imran Khan's PTI, because now what it seems that Imran Khan is coming out. He has got acquittal in most of the cases except the Cypher case and the 3 cases of the May 9 rights case. But the way things are moving, if we go back to 1 year in the past, in 2023, the same date, there are around dozen cases, but now only 3 cases are left against Imran Khan, which clearly shows that Imran Khan is getting relief with each passing day, Abhishek.